got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got three old guys who want.
Hello everyone, my name is Aprilia Vandrel Lestari. I will tell you about webinar ILCOM series theme Theory and Study Communication. This webinar event happened on Friday, November 25, 2022 with three moderators, Mr. Mukaroma, Mr. Puri Kusuma, Mr. Puri Adeni.
Inform bahwa di bidang teori dan riset komunikasi ini juga perkembangannya cukup masif ya, apalagi untuk bidang komunikasi kan, karena
jadi memperbandingkan teori yang banyak, ini lebih betul, ini lebih salah.
Saya
itu
di sini akan gimana ya? Ini kan tentang teori komunikasi ya. Kan tadi Bu Mukaroma juga udah
tentang efek tayangan TV juga dari Universitas Bengkulu pada pagi hari ini.
Fear, Mr. Rahmawati give the forward. So, according to the topic theory and study communication, this is very basic needed for student. Communication is very scientific, adaptive to exciting development, good for example technology latest then also relate with trend. So, student can explore about knowledge that relate situation development latest. Students also need research and armed with a book for source from his research. Mr. Mukaroma explained about theory communication. Theory is a construction or building thinking represent method observer the environment them. Communication important for students this because one, communication as cloned and skill, teaching communication cloned with various constructions like journalists. Two, communication also as research. Communication as knowledge that can answer various problems relate social with communication that also in society. When in study field communication, theory can ask for make it easy we answer problem from our research. Need expert can use for analysis result data finding in the field are included in discussion related field communication. The second is Miss Puri. Miss Puri explained about somatic story. Parak is method explore theory the some casting about group and flow or scale with core with because different interest to various field aspect now communication. There are 7 perspective tradition that is 1. Explicit sociology on interaction social and behavior social individual. 2. Cybernetics, a phenomenon event that are around us. 3. The rock how communication affect upfront general how invention style delivery and power remember. Semation, the investigation of symbol or understanding meaning based on representation from object, ideas, circumstances, situation, and feeling. 5. Critical understanding existing system considered right. 6. Phenomenology based on experiential himself refer on emergency acting event or condition. 7. Social cultural focus on self myself, thought and public and how the method interpret it. 3. Mr. Adeni explained about discussion theory communication. Theory from individual that is theory attribution, theory evaluation social and theory interaction symbolic. So, from individual and mistake, there is symbol theory, which conveys somatic messages or drift in society, and the theory constructivist that those interpretation were to see in reality is. There are two theories from conversation, namely, one theory accommodation explain how method we adapt behavior communication with other people communication. Two theory interaction symbolic focus attention on method asset for meaning and structure public through conversation. So there are two theories from connection, namely, one theory penetration social make an effort identify experiment process or body in intertwin connection with other people. Two theory connection dialectic. How do people use mutual communication, opposite and potentially better connection with other people? Next theory is communication group with two theory. One theory group trusted looking group as a bunch of people who don't affect word outside. Two theory functional says the process as an intrusion whose group for take decision with emphasis connection between quality communication and quality output group. Furthermore, there is theory organization. One theory bureaucracy no discourse communication, however, influencer for explain communication in organization. Two theory network. Structure network created through communication between a number individual and group. Then media and society, there are two theories. One theory of technology determination. Media technology creates revolution in the middle public because public already very depend on technology. Two agenda setting theory explain symptom of phenomenon, activity, campaign, or observed election. So there is media effect is one, the use and gratification theory. Explain about when and how audience as consumer become active or not enough active in using media. Two, theory cultivation effectively so that deliver effect from results consumed in media message long term. Next, and is media and culture. One, cultural ideology. Every group public involved in creation system meaning and release meaning in the expressive form. To hegemony as influence, power, or domination group social certain or group and social the usual more weak. So consultation from this webinar is from Mom Home coming about theory communication that has to understanding that is theory communication as theory singular and theory communication refer or ideas or relate ideas with the communication process. So material to one of Mom Castle that is about method view in C theory communication. There are 7 ways view that is sociology, kybernetic, rhetoric, semiotic, critical, phenomenology, and sociocultural, and the last from Mom Aden. About theory and study possible communication abroad in test. For example, like approach connection, drug, online media, and social media. So that I can tell you about this webinar. Thank you for watching. See you.
Audio Jungle.